Alrighty, so where is this? It's the vinegar volcano. Actually, no. How bad? That's completely backwards. But I don't actually know how bad the reaction is, and I'm hoping it's not going to be crazy. Right? Here's the baking soda, and I believe the baking soda is the wheat base, and here is the vinegar. Here's a paper towel. I'm not exactly sure how much to add, and I'm not trying to make a mess. God, I hope this doesn't make a mess. This is gonna make a mess. So, the experiment here entails a chemical reaction based on a wheat base and a weak base and a weak acid, right? So what's going to happen here is going to be a mixture of, and I wish you can see my face, but you're not going to really be able to see the reaction and my face, so I apologize for that. But what's going to end up happening here is going to be a mixture of two different reactions. The first reaction being the vinegar and the baking soda mixing together, creating a hydrogen ion in the vinegar reacted. Being the initial reaction, the two new chemicals, carbon acid and sodium acetate. The second reaction is going to be the decomposition reaction. Carbonate acid formed as a result of the first reaction immediately begins to decompose into the water and carbon dioxide gas. Basically, what's going to end up happening here is I'm going to, as I've already done so, create the first two reactions. I don't even know what's going to happen, if it's going to explode. I hope it's not going to explode. Hoping that I didn't put too much powder, because I don't want to make a mess. So basically what's going to happen here is that due to the base and the acidic vinegar and the base of the baking soda, we're going to create a sort of cleaning agent with these two agents, the acid and the base. I'll put it in here, it'll dissolve, it'll start to bubble, and because this is a small container, right, there's a very likelihood that it will explode. And I was thinking of doing this in my bathroom, but there really isn't a good location to do this at in my house, or I'm not gonna make a mess. So either way, I lose. I'm sorry. This is legitimately the best I can do. Not even gonna... It might not explode. To be real, I didn't want it to explode. I didn't want to make a mess. This is what I wanted, right? Now, this reaction, right, is useful for cleaning towels, or, you know, re-unstiffing towels when they get nasty, on draining clogs, and utilizing for different things like that of that manner. I've read multiple different articles that were talking about how this reaction in of itself is very good when it's bubbled up and when it's not. To be real, this is the first time I've ever actually heard of anything like this. So it will be interesting to see if it's as useful as the chemicals that I currently use, right? Now what I'm interested to see, since we're doing this, why was the towel necessary? That stinks. Why not, right? I don't know why the towel was necessary. It gave me a similar reaction. Maybe it was to delay the reaction of them. But yeah. I don't really think there's much more to say. Basically, for to shorten down everything, right? There's two chemical reactions that happen in here, and I know that I didn't really give time to happen. The first reaction here was the gas, and the second reaction was the fluid, right? I'm so stupid. And so to, of course, and so to reiterate, right? The first reaction was the base reaction, rise, right? And the second reaction was kind of like what you see in baking soda, carbonated soda. It's the bubbles. And from what I understood, I am so sorry. From what I understood, is when you the bubble agent is responsible for basically making it stronger, or the strongest base to clean, or one of the strongest bases to clean. Personally, I would like to test that out.